Hello everyone, welcome to John Matt Classroom. In this video, I'm going to discuss the situation for R expression. So first, kindly go through the compound angle. So given the situation, we have sine bracket A plus minus B is equals to, where we have sine A cos B plus minus. So here we have cos A sine B. So that is the situation for compound angle. Next, we have the cos bracket A plus minus B. So here we have cos A, cos B. In here we have minus plus, which is the opposite situation for the questions. Then we have sine A, sine B. The third one, we have the tangent bracket A plus minus B. So here we have the formula. So tangent A plus minus the tangent B over 1 minus plus. Opposite the situation, tangent A, tangent B. So here we have the compound angle. So next we are going to use the compound angle for the sine and cos to understand the situation for R expression. So here we have the situation. Let the expression, here we have A cos theta plus B sin theta is equals to R cos bracket theta minus alpha, where the R is greater than 0 and the angle for alpha is in between 0 degree and 90 degree. So using the compound angle, so kindly expand the situation. So here we have A cos theta plus B sin theta is equals to R. Here we have the bracket. So by using the compound angle, we have the cos theta, cos alpha plus sin theta, sin alpha. So if we expand and we compare the situation, so A cos theta plus with B sin theta is equals to R cos theta cos alpha plus R sin theta sin alpha. So kindly compare the situation. We have the cos theta. Next we have the sin theta. So compare. And we will have the A is equals to R cos alpha. Next one we have B is equals to R sin alpha. So this one can be considered as. Next is to square both sides. So if we square both sides, we will have A squared is equals to R squared cos squared alpha. Same goes to the green in color. We have B squared is equals to R squared sin squared alpha. So we name it as the second equation. This one as the first equation. Next is to add on the situation. Equation number 1 plus with the equation number 2. So we will have the R squared cos squared alpha plus with R squared sin squared alpha is equals to A squared plus with the B squared. Continue. We have the R squared bracket cos squared alpha plus sin squared alpha is equals to A squared plus with the B squared. So kindly refers to this part. Cos squared alpha plus with the sin squared alpha, which is the basic identity, and it is equals to 1. So in here we can say R squared is equals to A squared plus with the B squared. So finally R is equals to the square root, and we have the positive, negative for the square root. So kindly refers to the situation we have R greater than 0. So means that we only accept the positive part. So here we have the formula for R. Next is to find the alpha. So in here refers to the situation A and B. So tangent alpha is equals to sine over cos. So in here we have B over A. Or we can say R sine alpha over R cos alpha is equals to B over A. So finally, tangent alpha is equals to B over A, and the alpha is equals to arctangent B over A. So finally, express the situation. A plus A cos theta plus with B sin theta is equals to R. In here we have square root of A squared plus with the B squared cos bracket theta minus alpha. So in here we can say alpha is equals to arctangent B over A. So that is the situation for R expression.